Welcome back. A piece of nostalgia for Brooklynites. A group got together Saturday for a fun game of stickball. News 12 Brooklyn reporter Katie Cummings is at the tournament in Coney Island with the details.
Back in the day, people here say they would use their family broomstick to play ball. It usually meant a scolding from their mothers, but it didn't stop them. This is just a fun game for bragging rights. The Brooklyn stickball team playing against the Harlem stickball team. Despite the heat, many are glad to be here playing a sport they say originated in our borough. A few have very fond memories of playing the game during their childhood. They say it's unfortunate that it's not being played as much now, but they are trying to keep the game alive.
Carroll Street guys, President Street guys, 11th Street guys, played most of, and then tournaments. Rheingold tournament in 1976, right down here in Coney Island.
Nobody plays any street games anymore. It's not just stickball, but no one's playing skelsies and off the point and off the stoop or anything like that anymore. It seems like video games and the internet is, what holds court now. So, maybe they'll make a stickball video game. Who knows?
We're keeping it alive, and the name of this game is to keep this game alive. It's great to play with computers, but it's nothing like playing with a rubber ball and a broomstick.
The Brooklyn stickball team says it's open to a challenge from any other team in the area. This could be the last game of the season, but they're looking forward to another round of games next summer. Reporting from Coney Island, Katie Cummings, News 12, Brooklyn.